Guys, this is Mike 1 and in this video natin ngayon ay itetest natin yung accuracy ng upgraded Feixiang M16A4.
So the target will be 17 meters from the point where we will be shooting, which is inside the vehicle, and
this will serve as our target plate carrier, and there is a mark for its groupings para makita natin kung gaano ka-accurate yung ating spring type airsoft rifle. So we will be testing that, and here we go. Testing M16A4 loaded with 23 grams BBs precision. Itetest natin kung gaano ka-accurate, and we will be shooting it with 23 gram BBs for 10 meters nga, di ba? And to inform you all, mayroon akong nilagay na action camera.
So sa kasamaang palad ay hindi natin na-on yung camera, kaya wala tayong footage na maipapakita sa pagtama ng BBs dun sa target natin.
So, loading. Range is out. Have to find the most stable stance. Oops. Hindi natin comfortable sa stance na ito. Try this one. Two. Pangalawa na yun. Pangatlo. Apat. Last. So we still have 5 more BBs. Consume na lang natin and we will see the results. Ang talaga narinig yung test natin naman. Last na may isa pa. So, clear. Puntahan natin yung target. Let's see kung ano yung katamaan natin at ilan yung pumasok, ilan yung hindi natin. So ito, ito yung naging results. Out of 10 shots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yung isa kasi, yung ayan, nandyan. Hindi pala. So 8 shots yung pumasok out of 10.
So out of 10 rounds, 10 BBs, 8 lang yung pumasok sa plate carrier vest natin. Hindi lang natin kinonsider yung groupings. So correction lang pala. Hindi 15 meters ang ating next, but 26 according sa ating rangefinder app.
Siguro magkakalituhan tayo kung saan yung tinamaan natin. But tandaan na lang natin na wala yung pumasok kanina.
So this time we will be shooting the M16A4 spring type airsoft modified for 26 meters. So let's just put in mind na kanina from the recent test for the 17 meter shot ay may 8 BBs na pumasok sa ating target. So for the next test, medyo mahangin, 26 meters. So to consider, this is spring type airsoft M16A4 rifle, and the wind speed, of course, I suggest that the shooter must execute the kneeling stance while shooting to maintain better accuracy while shooting at this distance.
15 meters. Ilan lang yung tumama. Tignan natin kung ilan yung tumama. Sa tingin ko 3, 2 lang talaga yan. So nandito na tayo sa 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So 26 meters and only 3 yung nadagdag sa target. It is because I am not executing the proper shooting position, which should be the kneeling position.
Humigit yung humigit pa yung kanyang range, yung narating ng bala. Pumunta pa dun sa likuran, sa bandang dun. So I can say that this is perfect.
So 11 BBs were fired directly. So recently we were able to
I
shoot
still have to
we were able to accurately shoot 8 rounds of BBs. So tatlo lang yung nadagdag.
distance.
For conclusions, I can barely say that the Spring Type M16A4, which has an M4 Feishang M4 platform, is good for targets less than 30 meters in an open area with no sight adjustments.
God bless everyone.
So thank you for watching. That's all for this video. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.